Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be doing a review on Tuya Doorbell Camera T32. Are you looking for a smart solution to enhance the security of your home? With the use of Tuya Smart Doorbell Camera T32, you can safeguard your doorstep. It has a sleek design and advanced features. It offers crystal clear HD video, two-way audio, motion detection, night vision, waterproof, remote access, cloud storage, and SD storage. This is not only a doorbell camera, but also a surveillance camera. You can see the event happening at your doorstep with a click on your phone. It has a built-in microphone and speaker, which you can use to communicate with your visitor. This video doorbell camera supports 2.4G Wi-Fi and 5G Wi-Fi. Whenever your visitor accesses your doorbell, you receive notification on your phone. This camera has a wide-angle lens and it also detects motion. T32 doorbell camera is highly durable and waterproof. You don't need to bother if your doorbell will get damaged on rainy days. You can either choose to use the cloud storage or the SD card storage, or the both of them. This camera supports a maximum memory of 128GB SD card. This camera is so easy to install. You don't need an installer to help you fix this doorbell camera, for it is a DIY camera. Kindly click on the subscribe button to enjoy more content from us.